I really needed to get it all together and think, I got to get this right because I don't know if I'm coming back or I'm not coming back. So how about I just try and get what I want to get out there and show people and be the person that I really want to be. So for me, I had to shut off everybody, everything, and come back to me. And that took quite a long time. And I didn't realize how far away I was from myself, and then stay in that realm and keep that uniqueness of what is me. And being a carer, as you know, is really hard because you're caring all the time. So you're in that servant role and you're always serving, you're always helping. And then you have to come back and you have to realize, hang on a minute, there is me. Because if I don't look after myself, there's no way I can look after Marco or anybody, in around there.